Dear friends, what are you seeing here? Yes, here different types of machines. You are seeing the different types of machines in this picture. Now we go through the poem Machine. Friends, now here is one paragraph is given for you about machine according to Encyclopedia Britannica. Now I read that paragraph and listen carefully. Okay. Later you will answer one question is given below. A device that amplifies or replaces human or animal effort to accomplish a physical task. The first five simple machines are the lever, the edges, the wheel and axle and the pulley and the screw. All complex machines are combinations of these devices. The operation of a machine may involve the transformation of chemical, thermal, electrical or nuclear energy into mechanical energy or vice versa. Now, there is one question for you. Name a few machines that we use. How do they run or work? Yes, in our daily life we are using many machines. How they works? You must say or know about that how the machines are working. Man, nowadays we are using machines in every way. We are using machines for in the vehicles, in also in cooking, means in the kitchen also we are using many number of machines, mixie, grinder and many more machines. Like that they are in the kitchen, mixie and grinder there is using electrical power into mechanical power. The transformation of electrical power to mechanical power, and like that many machines are we are using in our daily life. Okay, man has learned how to sail on the seas, how to fly in the sky and how to reach the moon, but he has not yet learned how to live on this earth is a famous statement. Do you agree? Yes. Have a discussion with your partner in the class. Okay, nowadays we are human is very achieved. He is doing every works. He had lot of knowledge and is crossing everything the limits which is the God is also become like a God. But nowadays is like creating many things like God, but we can't work across the God because the environment teaches us many lessons. So here we are doing many machines, we are using many machines that affected our environment, our lifestyle. But even though that also there we have some knowledge that about our environment. We must have knowledge to, or we must try to save our environment. The machines also affected on our environments. That's why here how we depend on machines, how we are dependent on the machines. Machines are ruling us. Nowadays machines are ruling us. Without machines we can't do anything. Like that we are depend on everything on the machines. Here some words are given in the box. Classify them into words used in machines and words used in biology. Note that some may be used in both. Okay, some words are given. You must go through the dictionary, consult a good dictionary and get the meaning of these words. Here some animals name are given and some machines name also given. Some words are used both machines and also animals. You must classify them into animals or machines. This is the image of author Rudyard Kipling. Rudyard Kipling, this is the author of the image. Rudyard Kipling. The author name was Rudyard Kipling. He was born 1865. died on 1836. He is an Indian-born British novelist, short story writer and poet. He was brought up in England but came back to India and worked as a journalist. His famous works are Barak, Room Ballads, Kim, Captain Courageous. His books, Just 50 Stories and Puck of Pook's Hill, are very popular. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 2007. This poem, imagined to be created by machines, draws our attention to their joint strength as well as to their limitations. Here, poet describing about that machine, how we are depend on the machines and how the machines have the joint strength. Joint strength means a big use strength. Joint means use. Orbed means rock metals are mined from the orbed. Melt means to become liquid as a result of eating. Mine means place underground from where minerals are dug out. Cast means mold like cast iron. Rough means shaped. File means to cut or to shape something. Gauged means measured. All means pull with force. Comprehend means understand. Vanish means disappear. Dear students, now I read the poem. Listen carefully and enjoy the poem. Machines are singing. They are singing. This is the imagination poem. The poet imaged like that. The machines are living beings like that. They are describing themselves. Okay. We were taken from the orbed and mine. We were melted in the furnace and pit. We were cast and roughed and hammered to design. We were cut and filled and tooled and gauged to fit. Some water, coal and oil, all we ask, and thousandth of an inch in give us play. And now if you will set us to our task, we will serve you for 24 hours a day. We can pull and haul and push and lift and drive. We can print and flog and wave and eat and lie. We can run and jump and swim and fly and dive. We can see and hear and count and read and write. But remember, please, the law by which we live. We are not built to comprehend a lie. We can neither love nor pity nor forgive. If you make a slip in handling us, you die. Though our smoke may hide the heavens from our eyes, it will vanish and the stars will shine again. Because for all our power and weight and size, we are nothing more than children of your brain. Students, how the machines are produced in the factory and how the machines are useful to us and how the machines are important in our life, how the machines are ruling us, how we are independent, we are dependent on the machines. Here the machines are saying themselves how they are joint. Joint means use, big. See here, we were taken from the war, bed and mine. Yes. Here the machines are taken from the war. War means it's a allied metal. Means it is in the form of soil. The metal is in the form of soil. That must be when we purify that ore, then we get the metal. Okay. The ore bed and mine. Mine means the ore we taken from the earth. Mining. That is called mining. We were taken from the ore bed and mine. We were melted in the furnace and the pit. Yes, they were melted. Yes, that metal was melted according to size. Furnace means it's a oven, a big oven. A huge oven is called furnace. There we made the metal and fit. We are making the fit according to size. Which size we want the machine, we mold that in the furnace. And we were cast and rough and hammered to design. Yes, we are cast. Cast means we are melting or we are molding that. We are eating that from the hammering. And rough means we make that metal to hard. We make that metal to hard, strong. And hammered to design. We want to bend that metal to be, then we hammer to the metal to design in which frame we want, in the which design we want the machine. We must mold that. We must use the hammer for molding or making that design of the machine. We were cut and filed and pulled and gauged to fit. Yes, we were cut. Machine is saying himself. Okay, we means here machines. We means machine. We means in this poem machine. Machines are saying themselves. Here we means in this poem machines. Machines saying themselves that we were cut. Yes, machines were cutting in the factory. And file means that is making nice. Filing that using that filer and use file. And tool. Yes, tool means we using spanner and screw and many things to make that design. And gauge means measurements. We taking the measure of the machines, every part of the machines to fit to the design. Gauge to fit. Some water, coal and oil, all we ask. Yes, machine need what they need. How the machines run? They need water. Some water, coal means it's a waste of that wood, burn wood. That is coal. We also get from nature from the earth. Also we getting coal and oil. We using many oils to run the machines. Okay, we using many oils to run the machine. These things the machine need. The 1,000th of an inch to give us play. Yes. The machines need the place, need the space to work from an inch to 1,000. They are also working in the small place also. The small machines are also working in the small place. In the watch, the wrist watch, in the clock, they are using a very, very tiny machines. They are occupying very small inch places. And also they occupy a huge space, a big place, huge space they also occupy. The machines are playing. And now if you will set us to our task, if we are set that machines to work, task means work. Task means work. Then we will serve you 20 hours a day. Yes, we set the machine. The machines are working 24 hours. 4 to 24 hours they are working. Yes, if we adjust that timing and the machine, we make that working. We set that machine to work. They can do the work throughout the day. Working in the 24 hours. They are non-stop they can work if we provide the oil or fuel to that machine. We can pull and hold and push and lift and drive. Yes, machine can pull. They are also pulling. Machines we can use for pull the things. And hold. Hold means bring forcibly. Hold means bring forcibly. That we can use the machines to haul. And push. we can also use machines to push the things and lift. Yes, many times we using the machines to lift the huge and heavy weight things. And drive. Yes, machines also using for driving. Yes, in the motor vehicles we are using many machines. Without machines there is no motor vehicles. We can print and fog and wave and eat and light. Yes, machines also using in printing. Yes, printing machines, we use machines to print letters and print many materials. And fogging. Yes, fog means the farmers using in the field. The farmers are using in the field. ಅಂದರೆ ನೇಗಿಲು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಹೊಲ ಉಳುಮೆ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅದು ಫೋಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಫೋಗಿಂಗ್, ಫೋಗ್ and weave. Yes, weaving. When we weave the cloth, there also we using machines. And heat and light. Yes, when we want to eat, produce heat, then also using machines. That is heater, room heater, and many more machines we using. Furnace also is one of the machine. And light. Yes, when we need the light, then also we using machine. We can run and jump and swim and fly and dive. Machines are working very. Yes, machines are running. Yes, machines we using move from place to place. And jump. Yes, machines are also using jump, flying, swim. Yes, in the boat and in the ships we are also using machines. Fly, aeroplane, helicopter, all those are things prepared by machines. Without machines we can't make any motor vehicles. And dive. Yes, diving, flying, diving, every action there we have the machine. Every working, every action we need the machine. We can see and hear and count and read and write. Yes, machine also see. Yes, we are using mobiles, camera and many more things to see. So that's why machine saying we can see. Hear. Yes, machines also hear. Yes, when we speak, it observes and it records. Recording purpose also we using machine. And count. Yes, counting purpose we also using the machine for counting. Counting machines in the bank and many more offices we are using machines. In also ATM we are drawing the money in ATM. There also the machine is using for count. Read and write. Yes, we are also using read and write. For the purpose of read and write, we using machines. In the computer, yes, computer is one of the machine. Yes, there we use read and write that machine. Yes, machine is saying like that. Every field, in every field we are ruling. But remember, yes, machines are giving condition to us. But remember, please, the law by which we live. Yes, please remember this. Where we live, there must be a law. Law means one rule. That is, we are not built to comprehend a lie. Machines never say lie. Machines never say lie. Yes, they can't comprehend. They can't understand the lie. They can't understand the lie. And also, we can neither love nor pity nor forgive. Yes, machines does not have any feelings because they are not living beings. Then we can neither love. Machine can't love anybody, and they don't show pity about anyone, and they don't forgive anybody. Yes, there is no feelings in the machine's life. If you make a slip in handling us, you die. If you have done any mistake, in using or handling the machine, we may be caused death. It may be dangerous to us, dangerous to our life. That's why we must be use machines with very carefully. We must use the machines. Yes, the machines are warning us. You must handle with carefully. otherwise you lose your life. In the last stanza, what they say, though our smoke may hide the heaven from our eyes. Yes, the smoke which is produced from the machines, that may be hide, that may be make hide heavens from our eyes. That may be hide means the smoke causes to disappear the sky, disappear the heaven. The smoke causes to us that pollute our environment. It will vanish and the stars will shine again. Yes, the smoke will also vanish sometime. After some time, the smoke will also vanish. That also disappear. Vanish means disappear. Vanish means disappear. After some time, later sometime, the vanish also disappear again. So, because for all our power and weight and size, yes, we producing, the machines are produces smoke due to the power and weight and size. Yes, the used machines are produces more smoke. More smoke. That's why they gives a reason also. The machines also giving reasons to produce the smoke because they have lot of power and weight and size. That's why they produce smoke. We are nothing more than children of your brain. We are nothing more than your children of brain. Yes, we are produced from your brain because the man created the machines. The man created the machines. So, machines are created by human beings. Those are created by human brain. Human mind is created these all machines. Yes, the machines saying that we are ruling human being. Yes, we are all are depend like that on the machines. Without machines, we can't do any work. But even though also the machines are created by us. So that's why the machine says that we are the children of your brain. We are the children of your brain. We are not created by God. We are created by human being. These are imagination or creativity of the human being. Machines are creativity of human being. That's why the machine says that we are the children of your brain. See here how the machines are produced in the factory or and how they are very useful in every moment of our life, and how they are dangerous to us if we are mishandled, and also what the effect in our life, what are the effects on our environment. These are all things we know from this poem. The machines are like that. We are using the machines with very carefully, and we must avoid as possible as the environment pollution. We must find or search a solution for this problem. Because of using machines that produces smoke and that polluted our environment. That's why we must search for that. We must invent a solution for this problem because of the machines are producing more smoke. Okay, children. Now this is the homework. You write this homework with the help of the textbook.